Let us try to find out what QUAD is. Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. It is a strategic forum comprising 4 countries. इसमें 4 देश हैं, United States, India, Japan and Australia. It focuses on promoting a free and open Indo-Pacific region. ये इसका मेन उद्देश्य है. Enhancing security cooperation and addressing regional challenges. तो फोकस किस किस चीज़ में है? Promoting free and open Indo-Pacific region. Second, enhancing security cooperation. Third, addressing regional challenges. What is the history? The Quad was initially proposed in 2004 in response to the Indian Ocean tsunami, bringing together the 4 nations for humanitarian assistance. Reinvigoration. The dialogue was revitalized in 2017 amid growing concerns over China's assertiveness in the Indo-Pacific. मुद्दा क्या है? Aim to promote a free and open, inclusive Indo-Pacific to strengthen security and defense cooperation among member countries. Objectives: security cooperation, enhance collaboration on defense and maritime security. Second, crisis response, develop mechanisms for collective responses to regional challenges. Third, economic engagement, promote economic stability and growth in the Indo-Pacific. Fourth, shared values, uphold democratic values and rules-based international order. Fifth, key activities and initiatives. Joint military exercises, conduct regular military drills to enhance interoperability among forces. Security dialogues, hold meetings to discuss security issues, intelligence sharing and counter-terrorism. Infrastructure development, collaborate on infrastructure projects to promote regional connectivity and development. तो key activities and initiatives किस चीज़ में है? Military exercises, security dialogues and infrastructure development. Meetings and events. First Leaders Summit हुआ था मार्च 2021, marking a significant elevation of the Quad status. Subsequent summits, further meetings took place in September 2021, मई 2022, focusing on various strategic issues. Upcoming meetings 2024 में शायद होएगी शायद क्या, अक्टूबर में शायद है planned. Participating countries: United States promotes a rules-based international order and regional stability. India focuses on enhancing security in the Indo-Pacific and protecting its maritime interests. Japan aims to strengthen regional partnerships and promote economic growth. Australia seeks to enhance defense cooperation and contribute to regional security. तो United States क्या कह रहा है? Promotes a rules-based international order and regional stability. इंडिया क्या कह रहा है? फोकसेस ऑन एनहेंसिंग सिक्योरिटी इन द इंडो पैसिफिक एंड प्रोटेक्टिंग इट्स मैरीटाइम इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है, अपना मैरीटाइम इंटरेस्ट भी प्रोटेक्ट करना है. जापान एम्स टू स्ट्रेंथन रीजनल पार्टनरशिप्स एंड प्रमोट इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. तो पार्टनरशिप और इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीक्स टू एनहेंस डिफेंस कोऑपरेशन एंड कंट्रीब्यूट टू रीजनल सिक्योरिटी. डिफेंस का कोऑपरेशन बढ़ाना और रीजनल सिक्योरिटी. इम्पैक्ट एंड अचीवमेंट्स. Regional security. The Quad has strengthened security ties among member nations and addressed issues like maritime security and counter-terrorism. Economic cooperation. Enhanced economic collaboration, particularly in technology, supply chains and infrastructure. Climate change initiatives. Joint efforts to combat climate change and promote sustainable development in Indo-Pacific. इसके challenges क्या हैं? Diverse priorities. Member countries may have different national priorities approaches to regional issues. Geopolitical tensions. The Quad's activities may exacerbate tensions with China and other regional actors. Sustaining commitment. Maintaining the commitment of member nations to regular engagement and cooperation can be challenging. सबसे पहला तो डाइवर्स प्रायोरिटी. हर एक देश की अलग प्रायोरिटी हो सकती है. जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशन, चाइना और अदर रीजनल एक्टर्स. सस्टेनिंग कमिटमेंट सस्टेन करना मेंबर नेशंस का. कंक्लूजन. द क्वाड्रिलेटरल सिक्योरिटी डायलॉग रिप्रेजेंट्स अ क्रूशियल फ्रेमवर्क फॉर एनहेंसिंग सिक्योरिटी कोऑपरेशन अमंग 4 मेजर डेमोक्रेसीज इन द इंडो पैसिफिक by promoting a free and open region, addressing shared challenges and fostering economic ties. The Quad aims to contribute to regional stability and security. As geopolitical dynamics continue to evolve, the Quad's role is expected to grow, shaping the future of Indo-Pacific cooperation.